Here is a great tip for you out there who has our Hypochlorite Spray from Healthy Hydration. So you can purchase our bottle that makes something called hypochlorous acid. So hypochlorous acid, you can do the research, you're gonna find that it disinfects and destroys 99.9% of bacteria and germs. That means it kills MRSA, Staph, Gangrene, AIDS virus, E. coli. It kills every single living organism they've ever tested it on that I'm aware of, and it kills everything in 30 to 60 seconds. That's powerful. And so you can have our bottle that makes this. All you have to do is put your tap water and you're gonna put table salt. You push the button and 10 minutes later you have this amazing hypochlorous acid. So it's the same thing that you would come over here and buy, wound care for pet, any pet ouches out there, you just take your hypochlorous acid spray from Healthy Hydration, use that instead and replace this. Countertop, toilet, things, mirrors, brushing your teeth. It's great for all types of different things. And it's actually skincare for people. So go check it out if you don't already have one. I know you're gonna love it. You can also sanitize your chicken countertop, put your vegetables in it too to kill any bacteria. So it's powerful. So take my word for it and take your pet's word for it. Check you on the next video.